I'm gonna try it anyways. Because I might be able to convoke, kill a pet behind a pillar. He only has an instant resummon once every 3 minutes, so...
Demonic circle.
Convoking this guy behind the pillar.
Teleport. Spell lock.
Oh, there's a spell lock. And Thornsing myself.
Summon demon.
He's resummoning. That's alright.
Fear. Fear. Purge.
You're super hotted. Ceasing their healer.
Door of Shadows. Countered. Tyrant.
For now. Probably run.
Fear. Fear. Fear.
All right. Yep. You're back at it.
Demonic circle. Mortal coil.
Ceasing the healer.
Fear. Obelisk. Decimation bolt. Power infusion. Archangel. Damage.
You're super good.
Mind games. Fear. Purge. Countered. Nally.
I can't dispel it.
Dispel. Fear.
Getting out of line of sight.
Infusion down. Fear. Countered. Purge. 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 Big heal. Fear. PS. Fear. Desperate prayer. Fear.
Convoking this guy. Up, he kicked me.
PS down.
CCing the
Big heal.
warlock.
Obelisk. Fear.
Feared half.
Fear. Decimation bolt.
Line of sight. Oh my god. I had to line.
Fear. Fear. Fear.
Oh fucking Jesus. I'm feared.
Door of Shadows. Fear. Countered. Purge. Fear. Fear. Obelisk. Fear. Decimation bolt.
Feared full.
Tyrant. Archangel. Damage. Mind games.
Okay. I'm dead.
Trinketed. Psychic scream. Power infusion. Desperate prayer.
Yep.
Fear.
It's 15k into a 16k demon bolt.
Dispel. Mortal coil.
He double demon bolted me for 30k.
Trinketed. Spell lock.
Yeah, the line of sight issue was pretty fucked up there.
Infusion down. Fear. Death.
Yeah, well, no, what I mean is you put me in a bad spot by going way the fuck in and pulling me to the very middle of the map where they proceeded to CC me hard and then kill us.